जला रे मैं तो रजरा डेरा निरखण आई रे मारी जोड़ी राजा लाल मिर्गा नैनी राजा लाल मैं तो रजरा डेरा निरखण आई रे जला
राजस्थान एसोसिएशन ऑफ सियाटल अमेरिका द्वारा आयोजित इस गणगौर महोत्सव पर मैं आप सबको शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं और साथ ही साथ में अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं अपेक्षा शर्मा जी का और निखिल शर्मा जी का, जिन्होंने इस आयोजन को इस भव्य रूप में आयोजित करने का बीड़ा उठाया है। ऑफ आवर गवर्नमेंट लेड बाय मोदी जी, मैं आपका बहुत सारा धन्यवाद करते हुए सबको बधाई देता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Khamagani, this is Peony Patnaik from Seattle Desi TV, and today we have with us the chief guest of the Gangor Festival, Prakash Gupta ji, CGI, Consulate General of India, and Purnima ji, a very reputed community leader. We also have Apeksha from Rasa Seattle. Prakash ji, yes, she is the founder and currently the president, along with her husband, Nikhil Sharma. Prakash ji, how does an event like this bring communities closer and speak more about the culture of India, and how does, when we come together like this, contribute to the brotherhood in the society?
I must say that on behalf of the Consulate, this is an exceptional gathering which recreates a slice of Rajasthan here in Seattle. This is a work that the Consulate is also trying to actively promote. I compliment the leadership of Rasa, Apeksha ji, and the entire team for recreating this slice of our most rich, welcoming, heritage state I call Rajasthan. The slogan is also very nice, Padharo Sa, so
Padharo Sa.
welcoming everyone.
Absolutely.
And I also particularly like the focus on young children, kids who are kind of born here but don't know much about what's happening in Rajasthan, so it's a very good exposure. They also had messages from the state ministers and ministers of Rajasthan, so it's a very important connect that Rasa is doing, bridging community from India to residents of Rajasthan who are living here in Seattle, and I wish them all success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And today we have with us Apeksha Sharma and Nikhil ji, and she is the president of the Rasa community, which is hosting the beautiful Gangor festival today at Redmond Senior Center. I'm so happy to be here. Apeksha ji, this is so colorful, such a lovely event. You look so gorgeous. She is wearing a beautiful Rajasthani poshak. That's what it's called. So Apeksha ji has been a core community member of the Rajasthan organization here, and we really want to hear from you. What was your inspiration behind hosting this festival, and a little bit about Rasa, the association?
थैंक यू पियोनी। सबसे पहले तो खमा गणी आप सभी दर्शकों को जो सियाटल देसी टीवी को इस वक्त देख रहे हैं। आई एम अपेक्षा शर्मा, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ राजस्थान एसोसिएशन ऑफ सियाटल अमेरिका, एंड ही इज़ माई spouse but life partner Nikhil Sharma, who is also equally a vice president of Rasa. So the inspiration of bringing the Rajasthani culture to the land of United States is that I come from a culturally rich city which is called Jodhpur in Rajasthan, and I wanted to, whatever I inherited from my parents, I wanted to pass on to my kids. So this led to opening up a new organization, and all the members who have come along celebrating us are also equally thrilled to pass on this similar heritage to their kids.
How lovely. That is amazing to hear. Tell us a little about the challenges putting together. I mean, I'm sure there is a lot of effort which has gone behind putting this festival together today.
Yes, since this is the first time we are doing the Gangor event at such a grand level in United States of America, where we have, so we are trying to promote our culture from India, especially from Bikaner, where it's called the Mathiran art. So the Isar Gangorji Murti is being crafted by the Mathiran art. So to promote that, we had to, first of all, find a vendor who can do this for us, and then shipping all the way from Bikaner to Seattle was also one of the challenges. And thankfully, Mata Parvati wanted to be in the event, and she arrived right on the time. So I think logistics was the only challenge which we faced, because of course it's overseas shipping.
I can imagine, but oh my God, trust me, coming in here, I was like, this is grand beyond belief. The way this thing has been put together. Amazing. Last question for you today. Give us a few highlights of what we are to expect from this event today. I did see the Gangor procession, and what after that? What all is planned for the day?
So first of all, आपका स्वागत किया जाएगा वही मान मनोहर के साथ, और हम आपको एक सुहाग पोटली as a favor bag देंगे. And then once you enter inside the mesmerizing heritage walk of the Rajasthan, where we have also set up all the folk art, and we have also listed out all the paintings which have been created by the women artists. So you will see a miniature Rajasthani bazaar, where we have all the spices from Rajasthan, we have all the art from Rajasthan, and apart from that we have a Isar Gangor ji set up also, and of course who doesn't love dal bati churma. So dal bati churma hamare mehman surma, so please come and enjoy dal bati churma as well.
बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you so much, Apeksha ji. That was lovely, and we can't wait to celebrate with you. So now coming to Nikhil, I just heard from them that Nikhil is from the Jaipur city, which we call the Pink City in Rajasthan, while his wife is from Jodhpur. तो लड़ाई तो नहीं होती दोनों के बीच के जयपुर बेटर है या जोधपुर बेटर है?
Far better than Jaipur.
सबसे पहले खम्मागनी सभी सुनने वालों को, देखने वालों को थैंक यू, एंड देसी टीवी के व्यूअर्स को. आई थिंक राजस्थान में हर सिटी का अपना एक अलग कल्चर है. जोधपुर, जयपुर, उदयपुर आप देखेंगे तो आप हर 100 किलोमीटर पे, और यू विल फील दैट इट्स डिफरेंट. द फूड इज़ डिफरेंट, द कल्चर इज़ डिफरेंट, म्यूजिक इज़ डिफरेंट, डायलेक्ट इज़ डिफरेंट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग हियर, बिकॉज as kids we had that opportunity to live that life in that culture, in that environment, and now all of us always want that our kids should also get that opportunity, and all these efforts from Apeksha, from us, from all the volunteers just helps us like recreate a small community within here which still represents that culture, which is great. And there is a surprise today. Guys are performing for the first time for an event. So yeah,
that's something we look forward to. We have always seen the women get excited about this, but guys का performance we really want to see.
बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. आप बस encourage करते रहिएगा उनको.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. And today we have with us Dr. Purnima Voira, who is a very popular community leader in Seattle. And I have a question for you. First of all, you look beautiful. I love your poshak. I just love the jewelry on you. You are so gorgeous looking today. I have a question for you. How do you think festivals like Gangor, by this community or any other community, helps in bridging the gap between other communities and building those bonds and brotherhood? How do you think it's helpful when we put out a festival like this?
I think these kind of festivals may be very small, but have a very lasting impact. They're very important to share your culture and create the understanding, awareness and tolerance among the mainstream America, as well as within the diverse Indian community. So I think they are very important. And coming from a business background, I'm the founder and CEO of National US India Chamber of Commerce. So I feel that people can do business better when they know culture of a country.
That is such a wonderful answer, and thank you so much, Dr. Purnima. As somebody from another community, how do you want to reach out to them that they should come in celebration with all of you? I'm just wondering how we can add value and any program that can lead to that.
It is very important to be with the mainstream community. And yesterday I had a very nice talk with the city of Bellevue, and I said I'm bringing the Rasa group to you to perform and this is an international festival. And I would love for the Rasa group to come and let people know the beautiful, elegant dances of Rajasthan. I am born in Ajmer but raised in Jaipur. So Rajasthan is in my emotions, in my blood, in my heart, in my soul. And I would love to showcase Rajasthan to the mainstream community. I'm so glad to be a part. I thank Apeksha and Shreya and my good friends here that I was invited. And I feel like I'm in Rajasthan. I feel like home.
Absolutely.
I love it.
Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much.
Kamagani.
Kamagani. With us, we have Purnima Bansal ji. She is a realtor and she is actually one of the chief sponsors of this event. Tell me, Purnima ji, a little bit about your business and why you chose to sponsor this event.
Yeah, sure. So I'm Rajasthani myself. I believe Seattle was missing something from the Rajasthan side, and Rasa is taking care of it. And as you told, I'm a realtor. I'm into buying, selling, and investing properties, and of course, community building too. I'm a meditator, art of living teacher. So this is the best platform, I believe, promoting culture, building bridges, promoting the ideas and the values which we are coming from. So here I am.
Absolutely. This is so amazing to have you here. And without the help of community leaders and people like you who are so gracious, I think a lot of these events are not possible. So thank you for sponsoring this event.
Choosing me. Thank you for choosing me. I'm really happy.
And with us, we have a core member of the Rasa team and a beautiful dancer, Shreya Sharma. I think she needs no introduction. She has a lot of followers on Insta, and that's how I know you. But Shreya, tell us a little bit about what you're presenting today, about the dance. And we all know how beautiful the dances of Rajasthan are. Tell us a bit more.
Absolutely. Kamaghani, Seattle and everyone. Thank you, Seattle Desi TV, for this wonderful coverage you do to all these beautiful events. I'm a dancer. I'm a Ghumar dancer. I'm a Kathak dancer. I've been a dancer all my life. So it's my life's work to promote Ghumar. And that's what we did. We hosted a 2-day workshop, the first of its kind in all of USA. My aim and my mission is to make it reach the globe, give it the stature that it deserves. This dance is all royalty, grace, beauty. That's what we all symbolize, the women of Rajasthan. And I'm hoping to spread the love as much as we can. So please join in. Whenever you guys, we do it next time, we'd love to have you all there. Kamaghani.
Thank you so much, Shreya. Thank you. That was lovely and all the best. We are looking forward to see you do the Ghumar.
This is Priyanka Sharma from Rasa.
Yes, and today we are at the Gangor Festival. Priyanka here is a core member of the Rasa community. And I just want to ask you, Priyanka, how did you put this whole festival together? Because this seems so gorgeous and vibrant.
Well, it took a lot of time. I would say at least 4 to 6 months of planning. A lot of hours every day. All of the volunteers have done such a great job to put together such a grandeur and big celebration here today at Redmond Senior Center. Ritu is our core volunteer who has done outstanding job with Mandana. This is a very peculiar art form from Rajasthan, and you can see itsy bitsy shades everywhere in the decoration. We have done Mandana artwork. We have brought all the elements from Rajasthan, and the biggest element is our Isar Gangor Pratima. We have brought from Bikaner. The art form is called Mathiran art form, where sagwan wood has been carved for at least 35 days, and it's shaped in 2 idols, Isar and Gangor, which is nothing but Shiv and Parvati. And we celebrate Shiv and Parvati on the festival of Gangor. And this is what we have put together here. This is our biggest celebration.
Yay.
And it celebrates all the females, all the young girls looking for great groom.
Oh, wow. That is a fab piece of information. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you for your time.
Thanks a lot.
You. And today we have with us Jagrati and Vishwas from Navichya, the lovely collection of jewelry, and their sponsors for this event. So I have some questions for you. Tell us a little bit about this business and why you chose to sponsor this event in particular.
So, Shivani, we have been doing artistic jewelry for almost a decade plus now. Jagrati and I, were in the US. we had like a lot of experience with art and clusters back in India, and we always felt that that community was underrepresented. So we went back to India, started a fashion brand under the name Voila. We grew that business to 250 stores, 1,200 artisans that worked with us. We were fortunate to, exit that business in 22. But we realized that, these artisans were still, they needed more appreciation. And it was not just limited to India. And that's when we decided that we need to come to the US and take it at a global scale. And that's how Navisha happened. And Navisha is like not a new story. These artisans have been doing this for hundreds of years. It's our attempt to bring their work to the forefront in front of consumers here in the US and across the globe. Jagrati can add more about how we actually went around bringing these artisans to forefront.
Yeah, our country is just so much more beautiful than what the world knows, especially our Rajasthan, so vibrant, so colorful and so full of arts. So taking the essence of those arts and bringing them into wearable pieces was the idea behind getting Navisha here. Super excited for the reception that we're getting for the products that we have here. Excited to bring more stories from our colorful country to everywhere in the world.
Thank you so much. We are very excited and thrilled, and do check out their website to see their beautiful collection and offers that they have. Thank you so much. और आज हमारे साथ है राजेश जी, सुधा जी from रसा.
खम्मा गणी, राम राम सा, पधारो. अगर अभी तक आप नहीं आए हैं तो पधारो सा.
आपने उनको हर एक जो है इवेंट में देखा है राजस्थान को प्रमोट करते हुए, और उनका ये जो हैप्पी स्वभाव है और सबसे मिलने जुलने का एक बहुत ही रियली वो जो है ना राजवाड़ी मेहमान नवाजी इनसे झलकती है.
क्योंकि हमारा मेहमान नवाजी तो हमारा गुण है, हमारे खून में रंगा है. आओ सा, पधारो सा, और दाल बाटी चूरमो झिमो सा.
So राजेश जी, I have a question for you. आज का ये जो माहौल इतना सुंदर लग रहा है and everything, अब क्या बोलना चाहेंगे हमारे दर्शकों को कि अब हमारे गंगौर फेस्टिवल के बारे में एंड उनको क्यों आना चाहिए?
देखिए, अब राजस्थान और अमेरिका दूर नहीं रह गए हैं. हम राजस्थान अपनी ज़मीन से, हम यहाँ अमेरिका में रासा की तरफ से इवेंट्स कर रहे हैं. तो गणगौर फेस्टिवल आओ, पधारो और हमारे साथ रंग मिलजुल कर एक फेस्टिवल मनाओ, ताकि कि हमें अपना घर यहाँ मिले.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
We've got the Rajasthan here.
Yes, and we can see that you have put up such a lovely show here and beautiful. Everything is so gorgeous. We can't wait to taste the food.
And see the colors here. The full colors, Rajasthan culture.
पोशाक कितना सुंदर है.
Yeah, if you want to explore the Rajasthan, come here.
Yes, thank you ji.
Ram Ram sa.
Ram sa.
And today we have the Rim Chim band with us. Yes, and they are performing for the Gangor festival today. Well, I have a feeling that you're a rock band. How is it that you're here? You look amazing, colorful, and what are you going to perform? Tell us a little about your band and what brings you here.
We came here to Rajasthani ka band bajate hain.
Yeah, so I think we play a lot of rock music. Rock music ke saath Rajasthan music is the most vibrant music in the country. Not just the colors that you see in the dress and the food, but also in the music. So we thought if we add the colors of Rajasthan music with rock, we can create something which is unique. So that's what we're trying to do today. And this is also our first opportunity to perform for the Rajasthan community. And then I belong to Rajasthan, so I grew up listening to this music. So it was exciting and a creative process to look at how we blend the music, which is rock and Rajasthan.
Yeah. The Rajasthani music has traditionally the folk songs. Yeah. I like a lot. So we blend the folk with rock and our traditional India's music. So that's why we are here to perform.
Yeah, we call ourselves a Desi rock band, right?
That's
so
nice.
we'll play Indian music, but with a more of a punchier style.
Yay.
Right?
Yeah, look forward to. You should also record some of our music and post it.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Can you get the umbrella here? I'm getting sunlight. Yeah.
Oh my God, yes.
Dave's he's got sunburn already.
Yes. All right, we are just gonna ask you, what is your name, sir?
Vijay.
Deepam. Dave.
Srinath.
Avinash.
Joydeep.
Rutvik.
Mansi.
Look forward to the Rim Chim band. They are going to just blow the day away. Yes. Look forward. And we have with us the Rasa volunteers who are in the kitchen. you know, you guys are very important to this whole event because we want to taste the dal bati churma, the beautiful, delicious cuisine. Please tell us, why did you choose to volunteer in this section?
Because we love food. There's nothing more than the food. And the success of any event is like 50% goes to the food. So we are we are the center of the stage. Like everybody is looking at the stage right now. 10 minutes down the line, you will be seeing everybody is looking at us. So we are the pivotal stone of this event.
Please tell me your names.
I am Yatan Agarwal.
Mahim Ingorani.
Parichit.
Naman Bamki.
All right, thank you so much. And today's food partner is Rajdhani in Seattle. This is a lovely event you have put together. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Wait for the dal bati to come. That's like a thing to you guys should not miss.
Yes, we have authentic Rajasthani spread here. We can't wait to taste it. Thank you so much.